Adding widgets on the Webull desktop platform allows you to customize your training workspace for better efficiency and accessibility. Here's how you can add widgets. Open Webull Desktop, launch the app, start the Webull Desktop application on your computer. Access the widget menu, navigate to widgets. Click on the widgets icon, usually found in the toolbar or sidebar. This might also be under a menu like View or Layout, depending on your version of the app. Choose Widgets, browse options. You will see a list of available widgets such as watch list, news, market data, orders, position summary, and more. Select widgets. Click on the widgets you want to add to your workspace. You might have options to customize or configure the widget settings. Add widgets to workspace. Drag and drop. Typically, you can drag and drop the selected widgets into your preferred location on the desktop. Arrange them according to your workflow needs. Resize widgets. Adjust the size of each widget by dragging its edges to fit your screen layout. Customize widget settings. Configure settings. For each widget, you can easily set preferences like display options, data sources, and other configurations by clicking on the widget settings or gear icon. Save layout. Save changes. Once you've added and arranged your widgets, save your layout if prompted. This ensures your setup remains consistent in future sessions.